Hello, I found this question on Facebook and they need help on how to compute AHT through pivot table. They gave a formula on how to compute AHT. So what we are going to do is to teach them is so we what so what we are going to do is to teach them how to include formula inside a pivot table. All right, let's do it. Okay, so this is just a made up table based on the reference I showed you. I don't even know what these two, one, two, three are. So I guess average hold time. Anyway, based on the formula given for AHT, number of calls divided by the sum of ACW, hold, and ATT. So this should be the answer if it's manually computed. But if we are going to include this in a pivot table, I guess pwede mas mabilis, di ba? Update lang siya ng table and then refresh. Oh, what am I doing? Insert pivot table, existing worksheet. Okay, so I'm gonna drag name to rows and this time click the pivot table analyze, fields, items, and sets. We are going to create another field and it's called ATH with a formula. So that should be number of calls divided by the sum of ACW, comma, hold, comma, ATT, close parentheses, and then another one. All right, add. So you should be able to see ATH here at the end of your fields list. Okay, there you have it. Sum of ATH. So let's put another, maybe days, just to check if this column is the same as this one. So let's see, Monday and then Tuesday. I'm gonna copy this up to here, same as this one. Oops. Uh-oh. Okay, so let's refresh the table and then drag days to rows. All right, 19, 15, 55, 20, 44, 59, 12, 7, 48. As you can see, we got it right. Good thing. I hope this tutorial helped you.